Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to bring your favorite Creative Fabrica designs to life using Canva, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to edit Creative Fabrica designs in Canva so you can make totally unique graphics for your projects, social media, or even printable products. Plus, I'll show you a special bonus at the end, how to add Creative Fabrica fonts to Canva so your designs can really stand out. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to turn your creative ideas into beautiful reality. Let's dive straight in. First up, open Canva in your web browser. If you don't already have a Canva account, it's quick and free to set one up, so don't worry, just follow along at your own pace. Once you're logged in, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually at the top right corner. This is basically your launchpad in Canva where all your projects start. Go ahead and select Create a Design. Now, instead of picking one of the preset sizes like Instagram post or poster, we're going to set a custom size for our project. Click the custom size option and enter 100 by 100 pixels. You might be thinking that's pretty small, and you're right, but starting small can be a great way to focus on the details and test out effects without being overwhelmed by a big canvas. Plus, you can always resize your design later if you need something bigger for your final product. After you set the custom size, hit that Create New Design button and you'll be brought into a fresh blank workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's add some text. Look for the text tool on the left menu, then click to add a text box onto your canvas. In the text box, type out something festive. Let's go with Merry Christmas. You can put in any phrase you like, of course, but this gives us something seasonal to play with. Here where it gets exciting, let's try out Canva's Magic Morph tool. On the left sidebar, find the Apps tab and search for Magic Morph. This is one of Canva's newer features and it lets you transform your text with dynamic effects. With your text selected, click on Magic Morph and play around with the options. Maybe you want to give your Merry Christmas a wavy effect or perhaps make it look metallic or bubbly. This is a great way to make your text look more custom, which is perfect for attention-grabbing social posts or gift tags. If you don't see the effect right away, give it a few moments. It can take a second to load, especially if you're adding dramatic transformations. Once your text is looking just how you want it, it's time to bring in some extra flair. Click on the Elements tab over on the left. Here you can browse shapes, illustrations, or graphics like snowflakes, stars, or decorative borders. Try searching for keywords like Christmas, holiday, or sparkle to find festive artwork. Drag elements onto your canvas and arrange them alongside your text. Feel free to get creative, there's no wrong way here. Now let's finish things off by adding a background color. Click anywhere outside your elements to select the canvas itself, and then look for the background color option up top. Pick a color that sets the right mood, maybe a deep green or a cozy red. This simple touch can really help your design pop and tie together all those creative elements. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a custom Creative Fabrica-inspired design in Canva. Now for that bonus tip, if you want to use unique Creative Fabrica fonts in Canva, you'll need a Canva Pro account. Just download your favorite font from Creative Fabrica as a TTF or OTT file, head over to the Brands section in Canva and upload your font file. Once it's uploaded, you can use it in any future design, making your work truly one of a kind. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own creations, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.